Today, I'm going to tell you about something that no one has probably shared before. Don't wait for 2026, because I'm about to show you a trend that will help you grow even before 2026 begins. If you make the mistake of skipping this video, you'll miss this golden opportunity and trend. So, without wasting any more time, let's begin. I'm talking about 3 YouTube niches that are currently in a highly demanding phase. You'll get the complete roadmap, how to find topics, do scripting, voiceover process, visual setup, and whatever you do, don't skip the second and third niches. And yes, this video isn't overly edited, so your focus will stay on the main content, not the fancy cuts. Now, let's start the video. Niche number 1, book summary. Videos. Let's start with a niche that's super easy to create content for. You don't have to work day and night. Just a little smart effort can produce perfect videos with great watch time. You don't even need hours of editing or voiceover work. We'll use every step smartly. First, I'll show you some channels so you can understand the potential of this niche and how fast they grow. When you see the views on these channels, you'll literally be shocked. In this niche, all you have to do is summarize a book. Explain it briefly. There are many channels already taking advantage of this. For example, one of my friends has a YouTube channel with over 100K subscribers, and he makes all his videos using AI. He even received the silver play button. The same name is printed on it, so this is not a fake claim. One of his most popular videos got 400K views and earned her $47,000 through Google AdSense, and that single video gained 8,600 subscribers. While others struggle to complete their watch hours, this video alone achieved 41,000 hours of watch time. From just a faceless YouTube channel, he even bought an iPhone 17 Pro. Another example, Bookpedia channel. With just 102 videos, over 250K subscribers, and more than 12.7 million total views. These videos are simple, minimal editing, just an image and Hindi subtitles with AI-generated voiceovers. People listen to the voice and watch the whole video. The engagement is great. Other similar channels include Book Inside, Inspire Voice, and Kitabi Manzil, all of which have hundreds of thousands of views and subscribers. Most of them use AI for voice and captions, no complicated editing. You can take advantage of this niche too. Niche number 2, health and fitness. Now, is this niche really that demanding? Let's see. There are channels with just 1,180 videos and 2.37 million subscribers, or 397 videos and 7.12 million subscribers, and many more running successful channels in this niche. If you grow a channel in this category, you can earn not just from AdSense, but also from brand sponsorships, since there are relatively few creators in this field, especially in India. Most Indian creators make very common and repetitive content, so if you do the same, growth will be nearly impossible. To stand out, we'll create advanced and unique content. Health and fitness is a broad niche, with many sub-niches like diet plans, weight gain, loss, healthy food, muscle building, yoga, Ayurveda, skincare, and more. Most creators work in these same sub-niches. We'll choose a micro-niche that's fresh and unique, something that's going to be in high demand soon. That niche is biodecode and fitness tech, and wearables and tech. In biodecode and fitness tech, creators explain how science and technology can be used to improve human health. In wearables and tech, they review smartwatches, smart rings, and other fitness gadgets. Now, how do we make long-form videos in these niches? First, choose which sub-niche you like. Then go to ChatGPT and type your niche name, for example, biodecode and fitness. If you want a detailed video on wearables and tech, just comment and you'll get a dedicated video. Next, ask ChatGPT, give me top 10 trending video ideas for this niche. Pick any topic you like. Then in a new chat, paste that topic and say, write a duration script for this topic in Hindi subtitles. Within seconds, you'll get your script. Then clean it up. Remove unwanted symbols, English words, etc., and you'll have a final, polished script ready. Next, for voiceover, Go to 11 Labs, log in, paste your script, select a professional voice, and generate. Your voiceover is now ready. Download it. Now you need visuals. Paste your script into ChatGPT and say, "Divide this script into scenes for video creation." ChatGPT will divide it into multiple scenes. Then, for each scene, ask ChatGPT, "Give me an AI image prompt for this scene." Copy the prompt, go to Leonardo AI, select YouTube image size, paste the prompt, and generate. Within seconds, you'll have your visuals. Then import all the images and your voiceover into a video editor. Trim any unwanted pauses, adjust the image lengths to match the audio, add simple zoom animations, transitions, and background music, and export. Now you can upload it to YouTube. Niche number 3, 3D documentary videos. This is a new and fresh niche with massive growth potential. Documentary videos always get strong engagement. To start, analyze successful channels in this niche. Take a screenshot and upload it to Perplexity AI. Ask it to analyze and tell you what type of channel it is. Once you know, ask it for 10 trending video ideas in this niche. Pick a strong topic that can sustain itself long-term. For example, the untold story behind India's biggest online scam. Then, using a detailed prompt, generate a highly engaging script on Perplexity AI. You'll get a great script within seconds. Save it in Notepad. Now the real process begins, creating visuals according to your script. For that, use your script in Perplexity AI again to get scene-wise prompts for visuals. Then generate those visuals in Leonardo AI or PixAI. For voiceover, again use 11 Labs. Select a good voice, generate, and download. Then, in your video editor, sync visuals and voiceover by adjusting their timing. Add fade-in, fade-out transitions, and a nice background track. Finally, export your completed video, and that's it. Your professional quality AI-powered documentary video is ready. I hope you liked this video.